Ki khubor ka Dducsdc TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Myntri ke Sorkar jela ba wailat miki shela hak santrik nopra arjar arsan ulasam ki Syrnot cekin rifu arngut ki samla badia ki longkemi ki bela pendap ki Jingsha Hikai pentbit ki prasni lenter halor kamshet Jingbam Dihsha bela peniat dekat Din Dayal Upadhyaya Community and Skill Development Center Wayajer naduk arpnya trik naiwing arjar arsan po ki prasni kin rifu arngut ki nong simbanta ki layo ya Jing Hikai kumno ban penkre ban Shet ki Jingbam Dihsha ba per kumki cookies ki biskut ka rekom Shet cake nalor ki wepat ki jat Jingbam bala Hikai de kong lamika pasa
Mobi hipor nga hostnem arpawi hostnem arjan arpawi nga to ustan nungko kamu emeli ya ka business startup plan hey ta hajwai sedang ada kita jimut ne bha karwan na conference ho bol you start with it the challenge kayo nga to ka employment but wow kanai hi wa every year manusmen kamwat nyau phao hajar mut ki wodep il ure uri to ki to kai nyau phao hajar kapachisne talere chimoni ki kre sorkar ki walai kapachisne hendulum langi wa ki permanent contractual ki mission mode but ki poi tan araja sanspare hawa anai araja tam mi ki kre hakachisme das nyau tho ki rai ga sit nyau phao minus ki araja tu phao praja put ki khna ku de pure ku hap ki observe daily tam ho Lada kami tes nyau yiwong betok wan dunaki dunakre hapok kali kesetiap tanga wong iki ngata dele le ngampriang ngani bae le lada to dunaki dunakre ile sen bahala yo i hakki yo kun bakan central government mo pan ya ILP ka inner line permit Kau kang ye di group siap cepat ke state POI. Kita di group siap cepat ke state POI untuk turis. Henry di group you want to create toki to create ni. Jangan you berdi ke lengar ni ke sini awi, ni ke sini ki, ni ke sini ongi awi gum ke Sorkar check ko ye tak influx. Tapi ni di group one di ke yung ke sen ke yung ki kita isnom yung ki siap di illegally hapok ke state yung ini bentaji. Nei bentai ki kre. Penyo wa em the opportunity. Hapok ke state yung ini. Kanai ke dawan ni. Ta penyo to opportunity le ke te ke ki ke kan em go ko nga pi em jo pi. Em yoi le ni halor yoi le bin ya. Kanai ke dawan kam on ni em kam. Mut em benar Henry and kami untuk ikan. Karena dia tahu mereka yang bersorkar. Dan percaya, upun kemai, upun sedang ikut training. Dia tahu mahu sedang ajar arkawi sedang ikut business startup. Ka training program musuh hausan sih. Wah ni training program ada orang memantau competition. So hausan sih ngawe training lagi. After 45 days, hak piu sampai dia ngai business proposal dia pi. Dan mereka out of begitu dua job yang we akan tentang mesin. Siapa yang mengenai Muslim duci speeder jiwa yang ada registration. Hak cismi nak lepas dekat nama jalan hak ni nak berfek boleh power cipai sudah begini. Hapok cismi dunaso hajar di application itu. Kulmat ini. Jadi So, sedang aci grup hal. Dasnya apa nak naik ni kita grup hal san hal sumur. Tok udah sedang ni ikre di business. Em go sedang restoran, em go sedang school, em go sedang beauty salon, em go sedang ringan, em go sedang ini di bondan. ki malu mala akan report ko dia untuk lagi ku hau ko ki na la ki ko to san hau so ki sta dan ini mai training yo ki ka ko bonsin ile man successful tak itu kelak ni Hika pun man successfully to Jingbam filmi ya keteli. Jadi ni adalah experience. Someday we training 1P ya ke bakery. Pengan untuk check bakery yo. To mesti kan we treat minister ini order to baik ngakwa oke ubat dia kon tak boleh fit nak kata ke bakery ni. You should have that kind of it. No work is small. Men we keep track of him. Let a keep track of. Then they down and come high what you. What talk of he who put big. Men what you what talk. Men to buy the ring. Men step like the ring. Say time. Man will be buy the ring. Say down and up. You will end up with the jingle. Then they down and come focus. At the same time, I would like to request that center to before giving any training. I will request to do some kind of survey. That is very important. Because when you give a training, you should give that kind of training where it's highly needed in that area. Not that after giving training here, then you will send them to Guwahati, to Delhi, to Bangalore. We want that you give such kind of training where it will help the area. So that's why I request that before finalizing any training, to do some kind of survey, kind of the trade which we are really needed, and then which we have plenty of resources. I think that is very much important. So I'll urge the center that in the coming days, no doubt, you have been doing a lot, and it is really commendable. But in the future also I'll urge that such kind of survey should be done, and I'm very happy. I was talking to the principal. He was saying that now focus area will be on tourism, because right now really we need people in hospitality. It's so sad to see when we go to any restaurant or any hotel that the kind of service we are getting, it's unacceptable. So we need to give training on hospitality, which is very much important, which is at the same time the need of the hour of this area. And come potentially. But what produktif dia people yang menyebabkan dasarnya yang skill Meghalaya. The skill Meghalaya, hak skill Meghalaya ki ye tu enroll ya lagi, tolerate ini di bakery, ye tu lai hak skill Meghalaya di 3 months training. Then they amrati ki hak skill Meghalaya, the best thing is after you complete the training you will get the startup tools. Let me start. Mana that training you be tengah kepada negeri dan group boy dan harga skill Meghalaya dapat check one thing where skill Meghalaya to memang cari kan ujung ni mentu harga skill Meghalaya dia kata lagi in cari baik ni pada apa yang goal ni dan dia kata tailoring in cari kulai dia beli buat ni tetapi to tengah ada kuat ni ngaji arrange ya pi dia bakal nak ini very high target yang West Champion hadir pada Chinkia yang now skill development officer yang district. Government kata itu West Champion is the highest, the highest number of trade di Kenya. So hajar itu ada target. Dan itu West Champion itu highest avail yang PMEGP scheme. Pilai kelam menulai ini industri and the Perdana Menteri Employment Guarantee Program. Bahwa waktu dek kami ini waktu wajib kan di musim bahwa kemudian kemudian loan tangwa 1,000% top subsidy. So 1,000% the central government, so 1,000% da ini da kuku biar dari state government, so 1,000% top dari state government, so 1,000% dari central government. 1,000% top subsidy. 3,000% ni sumber. Tapi penmun gini dek mana dek tinggi dah waktu ten penhe di yang is ya Hikai for industry Myntri MGA P ketika industries wa MGA scheme PMBGP terusnya apa ya ada P lain begini lembak lah nabang deh MGA support dua ye tu awal di loan dua man di subsidi dua MGA Sorkar dia rapi lembaga subsidi ko kuat di pandang ukun he di pandang masa aku itu besuk itu dapat keki ko dapat keki dia di sana di kita MKB tersebut dan kita nak tentu ya pada kuat ya skill UM yang training nak skill Meghalaya dan ngaji yang range kita nak kuat at least minimum to mau mai di kamu. Dari bilik awal tengah wong principal gila ada lagi please contact ngawo kelompok skill development officer dan kami will identify any location trong các cái gì điều thì trong khi cái center di bawah ni hete kuat yang mana tengah yang hari cho ngawo arrange trainers ngawo arrange training free training and go dari mana dari kamu on ini training yo ki start tools bukan ni saya tu mau di dunia dia mana dari pendek training maklah yang lebih dari konten itu yo itu dia kata tak hobi kalau nggak ayur dia nggak tahu yang lebih yo itu dia dari kami.
In today's context, in today's when we are seeing the today's society, it is difficult for the government. It is quite difficult for the government to offer the job opportunity to each and everyone. So in that sense, if somebody may be given some kind of knowledge, some kind of skill, so I think in that way, like individual will be competent enough, person will be competent enough to do something from which that person may earn some kind of livelihood. So they may not need to depend on the government, they may not need to depend on the others for getting job, for earning their livelihood. So in that way, actually offering some kind of skill, giving some kind of knowledge, to train individuals for different kind of vocations, I think that is going to help a lot to the society. So in that sense, our community college with the limited resources, it is doing a wonderful job. For that, I would like to congratulate the entire team of the community college, including the principal, including the other members, program coordinator, for the wonderful planning that they are doing with the limited resources. To some extent, I am familiar with the bakery things since I am belonging to the hotelman background. So I have seen it very closely. How the bakery products are made, what kind of requirements are there to bake the products. So from those kind of requirements which the hotels used to do, like in hotels, there is a separate section for bakery and confectionery, and they have sophisticated equipments to prepare such kind of products which we are seeing at the dais. So I am feeling very satisfied with the limited resources. Our community college could prepare such a good kind of products, and it is, I can say very confidently, they are at par with any other product which is sold in the open market. So for that, I would like to congratulate to the resource person, Srimati Vinka Pasa madam, for taking such kind of effort, and she could able to prepare such kind of product with the help of the volunteer team, with the help of the students participants, and I hope that in the duration of these 8 years, she could able to give some kind of understanding about the bakery products. From the speech that she has given, I could understand that 6-7 days are very less for giving some kind of insights about any such kind of cooking technique. So basically, I could understand that with that particular exposure that was given by her during this particular period of time, I think some kind of sense the participant might have got.